Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class. Today, we study how much and how many.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the basic rules. Examples, we see clear sentences. Quiz, you choose the correct phrase. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now, we start with the theory. We go step by step.
Great. Small steps help me.
Basic meaning. Use how much to ask about one amount. Use how many to ask about a number. Example. How much water is in the glass? Example. How many apples are on the table? Count nouns and non-count nouns. Some nouns are count nouns. You can count them one by one. Example. Book, chair, egg. Some nouns are non-count nouns. You see them as one general amount. Example. Water, rice, milk. How many with plural count nouns. Use how many with plural count nouns. The noun usually has s. Example. How many books are in the bag? Example. How many chairs are in the room? Example. How many bananas are on the plate? How much with non-count nouns. Use how much with non-count nouns. The noun stays singular. Example. How much milk is in the bottle? Example. How much rice is in the bowl? Example. How much money is in the wallet? Questions with is and are. Use is with one amount. Use are with plural count nouns. Example. How much sugar is in the cup? Example. How many cookies are in the box? Questions with do and does. Use do or does when the question has an action verb. Put how much or how many at the start. Example. How much coffee do you drink? Example. How many photos does she take? Good work with the theory. Now examples will make the rules clearer.
I want to see real sentences.
How many pencils are on the desk? How much tea is in the cup? How many oranges are in the basket? How much cheese is on the plate? How many cats are in the garden? How much bread is in the bag? How many birds are in the tree? How much juice is in the glass? How many shoes are by the door? How much soup is in the bowl? How many toys are on the floor? How much salt is in the soup? How many windows are in the house? How much homework do you have? How many friends do you invite? How much music do you hear? Nice examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. How many? How many apples are in the bowl? Choose an option. How much? How much water is in the bottle? Choose an option. How many? How many dogs are in the park? Choose an option. How much? How much milk is in the fridge? Choose an option. How many? How many books do you read? Choose an option. How much? How much rice do you want? Choose an option. How many? How many cups are on the shelf? Choose an option. How much? How much sugar is in the jar? Choose an option. How many? How many pictures are on the wall? Choose an option. How much? How much coffee does he drink? Choose an option. How many? How many eggs are in the carton? Choose an option. How much? How much time do you need? Good job. You completed this grammar class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next class.